Hi guys, I'm making my new vlog, and today I told you in next, but look at this. Look at this view. It's raining maybe. It's raining and shadows are coming. And look, lightnings. Lightnings. What are we called? I forgot. Okay, lightnings are coming. This is the view. Oh. Let me show the lightnings. Oh, can you listen this sound? Like boom, boom. Like, can you listen that sound clearly? Like boom, boom. In Belgium, it's super dangerous now. It's raining, yeah. Yeah, it's raining. Damn. Now look at this weather. Cool. Raining weather. Some storm. Storm are bumping each other. And lightnings. It's called a clear lightning in Belgium. Bye bye, please subscribe.